Alright guys, hi, this is Jessica from Jay-Z Style Salon. I get so many questions on how I like to curl hair, especially long, beautiful hair like Anna's. So I'm just going to do a little tutorial with you on how I like to get my beachy waves. So if you want to see how I do that, stay tuned.
Perfect blue, sunbathing on the moon, stars shining as your bones illuminate. First kiss just like a drug, under your influence. You take me over, you're the magic in my veins. This must be love. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now. No silver or no gold could dress me up so good. You're the glitter in the darkness of my world. Just tell me what to do, I'll fall right into you. Going under 'cause the spell, just say the word. I feel your love. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now. You are the light and I will follow. You let me lose my shadow. You are the sun, a glowing halo, and you keep burning me up with all of your love. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now.
Alright, so now Anna has these gorgeous tousled beach waves and we love it so much. So these waves typically hold about 2 to 3 days in my experience. So this curling iron is the best investment you'll ever make. It's the babyliss 1 1/4 inch curling iron. And this is what I use on all my clients. You can get tighter curls or loose beachy waves. So it's really just the best iron ever. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Press like and subscribe if you like these curls.